Hello, it's Bryn here from Wessex International. Today we're here with the LS100 log splitter, suitable for big tractors and compact tractors. It can achieve up to 10 tonnes of splitting force working at 3,500 psi. At 3,000 psi it produces 6 tonnes of splitting force, and at 2,500 psi it achieves 5 tonnes of splitting force at the head. It has a traditional axe-shaped head on it with a point which creates maximum splitting force on the edge of the log. Here on this model we've got the wide base plate, which enables you to split a lot larger logs. On the actual base plate itself it's got these metal prongs which, as the axe head comes down, pinches the log, meaning that if they're wet or got a wonky cut they won't slip out. It's got dual handle control for safety, so your hand doesn't get in the way of the axe head as you're doing it. Another feature is the distance between the axe head and the base plate, which allows you to split logs that are up to 18 inches tall. So a double acting hydraulic spool is required with constant flow. So it's suitable for both Cat 1 and Cat 2 linkages, meaning it can be used on larger tractors like this one here, which is 100 horsepower plus, or down to compact tractors. This LS100 log splitter is a great value machine. Please feel free to get in contact to inquire about pricing or availability. Thank you.